Hey guys, I'm Cheryl with a C. Welcome back to my channel. And is my mic on? Okay. I'm just going to do a quickie review of this product that I recently bought at Sephora by Marc Jacobs that is so hard to get. I kind of wish that I bought two because when they first came out with this last year, it sold out so quickly, and I didn't know if it was ever going to come back, but it did. And I'm so happy because the packaging is so pretty and it's huge. It's a huge bronzer, and it's called Tan-Tastic. The color is 104. This is Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze Coconut Perfect Tan. And usually I do not like scented products, like skin products or makeup, but this has like a really faint but distinct coconut smell that smells so good. Oh my gosh. I hope that it's sold out again now, but I'm kind of thinking if they bring it back in stock, I might want to buy another one. I should have bought two. But anyways, I just wanted to give a quick review on this. Again, hard to get. I think that's part of the appeal because it seems very like exclusive and hard to come by. You can sign up for like reminders if you go to Sephora.com and they'll shoot you a note when it's in stock. I didn't try the Marc Jacobs website, but I like buying at Sephora because for the rouge points. But again, the packaging is so pretty. There's a ton of product in here. I think it's going to last a really long time. It's zero point 0.8 ounces, which is 25 grams. And yeah, this thing is huge again. And like the mirror is beautiful. And oh my gosh, I can't stop smelling it. It smells like vacation. I don't know if this swatch is going to work on me because I'm brown already, but yeah, and the lighting is so bright. But you can see that I'm wearing it here as like as a contour already. I wonder if I can try to put on a little bit more so it's more defined and you can see it. Let me take this brush. So I'll just dip it in here, tap, 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 and then make sure, put it around here in the contour area, keeping towards the back of your face because you don't want to like create a beard, but here it'll create kind of a shadow and give you definition in your cheek. And I'll put a little bit more on this side. Yeah, I'm already wearing it, but hopefully you can kind of see the difference it makes. Put a little bit down here. Yeah. So excited about this product. I was kind of pissed to begin with because Sephora, you know, they send out their promotional emails and this was the topic. And then I went to the website right away and it was sold out. So that was annoying. So luckily I was able to get it when it was put back in stock. And I think I love it so much and it smells so good and the packaging is so pretty that I'm losing my breath. If it comes back, I'm going to buy another one. It's expensive. It's $50. But again, like if you think of how long it's going to last you, that's something to consider. So definitely I'm excited about it. Positive review. I recommend it. And give me a thumbs up and subscribe before you go. See you soon.